series of improving our mannerism and learning certain phrases which help us to show better manners. We are going to have third session today. We already had 2 sessions, and in that we learned a few words. In first session we learned about 15 or so. In second also we learned about again 13, 14. These were various to improve your manners. And today again we will also learn a few phrases which are commonly used in English. This also helps us to improve our spoken English as well as manners. Because personality development means to improve your manners. That must be part of it. So we start with the name of Allah, and before I go on to the today's session, I would like to listen from you that what all you have so far learned. Okay, any phrases which you have learned in the last 2 sessions, right?
Sir, we have learned some new words which are discipline, panic, reporting, excuses.
Phrases which we phrases like please, like excuse me, like sorry, yes, pardon me, okay. Yes, remember it?
Yes.
Okay.
Slouching, stand up, sit upright,
Sit upright.
stop cracking knuckles,
Okay.
excuse me,
Okay.
pardon me.
Okay. So don't next. Yes. Anyone else? Yes.
Start, sir.
Anything? Yes.
Excuse me,
In
my
last
pleasure.
2 sessions which we have discussed.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, sorry, my player, shaking leg and slouching, excuse me,
Yes. Yes, Imran.
cracking knuckles,
Nickels. No, I
Knuckles.
corrected last time. Knuckles.
knuckles,
Knuckles. Yes. Come on. Yes. Zia.
Excuse me, sorry, pardon
No,
me.
no, don't repeat those. Give us new, whatever we learn. I want all to be repeated. Yes. Okay.
Take care.
Okay. Yes.
Don't pick your nose.
Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. Right? Okay. Good.
Don't make your face.
Don't make your faces. Making faces. Don't make your faces. Right? Good. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Yes. That was our in first session. Yes. Anyone else? Right. Remember, nobody is guest here. You must remain active. Okay. Speak. Yes. Yes, Adil.
Welcome, nice to meet you.
Well,
Pleased to
slowly. One by one. Yes.
Welcome, nice to meet you. Pleased to see you.
Pleased to see you. Pleased to see you. Right.
So happy to see you.
So happy to see you.
Take care.
Take care.
You look gorgeous.
You look gorgeous. Right.
I am sorry.
I'm sorry.
I am afraid.
Right. I'm afraid. Right.
Do not pick your nose.
Okay. Do not pick your nose. Yes.
Making faces.
Right. And anyhow, now we continue the same. And today the first of the line is may I. ये जैसे इजाजत लेते हुए may I take your pen? May I take this ruler of yours? May I come inside? May I come in, madam? May I go for the washroom? This is requesting or taking permission. समझ रही है? Okay. कैसे बोलेंगे? बोले.
May I go to washroom?
May I speak? हाँ. May I go to washroom? Yes.
May I go to washroom? May I?
हाँ.
May I go to washroom?
हाँ बार बार नहीं washroom जाना ना. आगे चलो. May I?
May I go to come in?
May I go to come in? May I come in, sir? हाँ. May I is a very commonly used. Yes. Okay. Please be attentive.
May I go to outside?
Right? May I go to outside? Right? Yes.
May I go to water?
To water क्या? May I go to drink water? Or may I go to take water? May I go to drink water and may I go to
Take it.
and may I go to make water? What is making water?
पानी बनाना.
Yes. Anyone? May I go to make water or making water? क्या होगा? शाबाश. Yes. Yes. Anyone? Yes, madam.
May I go to class?
No, no. Make water का क्या मतलब होता है?
पानी बनाना.
बैठ.
Juice like
No. इसका मतलब होता है शार्प करना. So remember this कि चीजों को अल्फाज के छोटा सा भी गलती में आप मतलब गलती करें. एक मैं ऐसे ही वाकया आपको सुना दूं. इसी तरह एक घर गए तो वो खातून पढ़ी लिखी नहीं थी लेकिन अंग्रेजी बोलने का शौक रखती थी. तो उसने कहा सर 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 बैठे बैठे सर आई विल मेक वाटर फॉर यू. तो अब उसने तो मतलब ये था कि शायद वो कोई शरबत शरबत बनाने, लेकिन इसका मतलब क्या निकला आप समझ गए. समझे ना? सो अंडरस्टैंड मीनिंग इंग्लिश के को पूरी तरीके से समझने की कोशिश करें. सो मे आई अभी समझ आ गई है. ओके. मे आई टेक द वाटर. May I go to drink the water?
May I go to playground?
Okay. Anyone else? Yes. May I?
May I get your roller?
May I get your ruler? Roller क्या?
Ruler.
Okay. हाँ. Okay. Yes. आप भी बोले जी मेहमान हमारे मेहमान आला जी. May I? My I नहीं. May I come in? Okay, sit down. Yes.
May I go to the tuck shop?
Okay. May I go to tuck shop? Yes. Come on. Yeah.
May I go to bus stop?
May I go to bus stop? Okay. So this is seeking permission. It is seeking permission. Okay. Next word is can I help you? आप चाहते हैं किसी की हेल्प करना तो आप उसे कहते हैं कैन आई हेल्प. कैसे बोलेंगे?
Can I help you? Can I help you?
आप बोले आवाज आ रही है. ओके. अब्दुल मोइन.
Can I help you?
यस.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Can I help you? Can I help you?
हाँ. ओके. ये आप बोले.
Can I help you?
Anyone else left? Okay. Next word on the same it and what is that?
Requesting.
I request you to please guide me for something. I request you please help me to understand this question. So request. I request you please complete. So हर चीज में रिक्वेस्ट करने का यूज करें. Okay. One sentence everybody will make. I request you. क्या? हाँ. Yes, madam. Anika. Request. Come on. No guest. Nobody is guest here. I have told you. Yes. Say. I request. Come on. Okay. Sit down. Please. Okay. Mateen.
I request you to done your work. I request you done your work.
To.
Done your work.
No. I request you to do your work. Done तो लैंग्वेज में आपने सेकंड थर्ड फॉर्म तो नहीं लगाएंगे. I request you to do your work. Or I request you to.
Do your work.
Okay. Yes. Anyone? एक बोलेंगे आप सारे एक एक सेंटेंस बोलेंगे. I एक रिक्वेस्ट.
I request you don't abuse everyone.
Correct? Okay. Yes.
I request you don't do this.
Okay.
I regret to do not smoking.
I request you not to smoke. I request you not to smoke. I request you not to smoke.
I request you to help me in my homework.
Okay, I request you to help me in my homework. Yes, madam.
I request, can you help me?
I request you to please help me. I request you to please help me. I request you to please help me. Right. Muiz sir. Yes. आपने हेयर कट अभी भी नहीं करवाई है? क्यों? कल क्यों? आपको मैंने परसों कहा था। ओके, बोले बोले।
Can I request you help?
Can I request you
Help me.
to help me? Okay. Okay.
I request do not make faces.
Okay. I request you.
Do not make faces.
Okay, not to make faces or do not make faces. Right. Next is
I have no words.
I have
No.
I have no words. आपको समझ ना आए, मतलब बहुत आप इमोशनली ओवरवेल्म हो जाएं, कोई आप ना बोल सकें, तो आप कहते हैं I have no words to thank you. किसी ने आपका बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, तो आप कहते हैं I have no words to thank you. किसी ने बहुत अच्छी स्पीच किया, I have no words to appreciate. I have, जैसे आप कहते हैं मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है आपकी इसकी तारीफ करने के लिए, मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है, so I have no words to speak in favor of this. इतनी ज़्यादा आप overwhelmed हुए हैं, right? Okay, anyone use it? Yes, please.
I have no words for this person.
Right, I have no words. Okay, for this person, as he is too good, as he is too gorgeous, as he is. Okay, good, शाबाश, well done. अच्छी try है. हाँ, yes, anyone else? शाबाश, हाँ, try करें, चला.
I have no word for
Huh?
this result. For this result.
और कोई बोले? हाँ.
I have no word to say something.
क्यों? I have लेना साथ अटैच करने की चीज. Yes, चला.
I have no words to say.
To say. क्या?
मेरे पास उसको कहने के लिए कोई लफ्ज़ नहीं।
Okay, you are just using it in a sentence. Okay, anyone else? Okay, what is the next? So ये आपका expression जो feelings है, I have no words, basically आपकी feeling जब आपने बस हो जाती है, उस वक्त जो आप ये use करते हैं. So आप, right? It is in other words to thank someone.
Yes.
Right? It is to thank for someone's favor. कोई आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा काम करता है, तो आप कहते हैं I have no words to thank you. मैं इतना ज़्यादा आपका शुक्रिया अदा करूँ. I have no words to repay in words. I have no words to really appreciate the work you have done. I have no word to thank you the way you helped me on that day. Okay? Right. Next is talking on telephone. That's again we must learn कि टेलीफोन पे कैसे बात की जानी चाहिए. सबसे पहले आप कहते हैं हेलो, ठीक है, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, और अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें. आई एम तला फ्रॉम LCIC. मे आई नो हु इज स्पीकिंग? वो आगे से जवाब देता है. कैन आई टॉक टू? आप बोला जो, वैसे मैं कहता रहूंगा बोलो बोलते नहीं है. अब फौरन बोला नवीद. हाँ, आई हैव एन इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज फॉर अस. क्यों भाई, क्या है? हाँ, ओके, प्लीज कन्वे. एक होता है कॉन्वॉय होता है कारवान, गाड़ियों का जो इकट्ठी होती हैं वो होते हैं कॉन्वॉय। ये है कन्वे। कन्वे मतलब है उसको मैसेज देना। प्लीज कन्वे हर दैट देयर विल बी नो क्विज टेस्ट ऑन मंडे। और आखिर में आप कह सकते हैं नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। सो आपने टेलीफोन के ऊपर बात करने के लिए ओपन किया, आपने हेलो सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम कहा, फिर अपना तारुफ कराया, अपना तारुफ करवाया। आई एम नवीद फ्रॉम LCIC। हाँ, आगे मे आई नो हु स्पीकिंग। अब आप दूसरे से पूछे कि कौन बोल रहा है उधर। मे आई नो हु स्पीकिंग। यस, ओके। कैन आई, कौन बोला? हाँ, कैन आई टॉक, कैन आई टॉक टू अमरीन। ठीक है, हाँ, ये ना हो कि नवीन नाराज हो जाए। कैन आई टॉक टू अमरीन। ठीक है, अमरीन, ओके। आई हैव, क्या है, क्यों, क्या करना चाहते हैं, साथ ही आप बोल भी दें। आई हैव एन इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज फॉर हर।
Please convey.
ओके, अभी चूंकि वो नहीं है तो आपने उसको कह रहे हैं ओके प्लीज कन्वे हर दैट देयर विल बी नो क्विज टेस्ट ऑन मंडे और देयर विल बी नो वीकली टेस्ट ऑन दिस ट्यूसडे।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But next Tuesday there is.
Yes, sir.
But you won't be able to tell them, okay? Okay, and at the end you can say nice talking to you.
Yes.
Nice talking to you. So अब ये जो conversation है ये एक है। अब इसकी सबकी conversation हम practice के लिए बनाएंगे, right?
Yes, sir.
Who are the two volunteers? ये जरूरी नहीं ये वाले। You can make conversation at your own. Yes, Shabbat. Good, Hamza. I'm happy. Yes, Tala. Yes. Make any. Okay. Hello.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Hamza, and I want to tell you.
Listen. Don't look towards each other. It is on telephone. Look this side. Look this side, Hamza. You look that side, and it is on telephone. Okay. हाँ. Say, hello. Hello.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Has he said hello? Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Hello. हाँ.
assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I am Hamza.
I'm Talha.
I want to tell you that there will be no quiz test on Monday.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Can you tell this to Harun?
Yes, I can.
Okay, bye. Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
हाँ. Nice talking to you. थोड़ा सा अच्छे अल्फाज भी बोले, right? Good. One first attempt. Good. Okay. आवाज को भी ज़्यादा अच्छा रखें. Any two more. Different talk. Yes, come. Yes, come. Get up now. This you can talk. I know. चलो. She's talking from it. Okay. Amreen is there. वहाँ से बात करो. चलो. हाँ.
Hello.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
कैसे हैं आप? In English.
In English today, we are having a practice of English conversation, right?
I am Harun from LCIC.
Yes.
Can I talk to Amreen?
Now he is just laughing. बाकी समझ नहीं आती है। अंग्रेजी जब आते हैं उस वक्त आपका दिमाग बंद हो जाता है। Consider anyone else who can make okay other and you okay. Any other conversation? अमरीन का पीछे छोड़ दे, नवीन नाराज हो जाएगा। चले, okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Adil from LCIC.
I am Harun from LCIC.
You can also ask. You remain quiet.
Yes.
Let him see how he responds it further. Okay. Again.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I am Talha from LCIC. Say now is speaking.
ठीक है। उसको मत देखें। सुनो, no. हाँ जी। चलो नवीन, तला, get up, तला. Zia. Okay, you sit down now. Anyone else? Muhit? Okay. Mateen. Yes.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Speak louder.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
I am Mateen from LCIC. May I know who is speaking?
I am Zia from Rohanwala.
I have an important message for you.
Okay, please convey.
Please, please.
Where you can wait? He has a message. So ask him, okay, what is that?
Ask him what is that.
Oh, come on. Ask him. देखिए लोग के साथ ask him now, what is that? You are talking on telephone.
What is that?
Please convey that there will be no quiz.
Why to convey? किसको convey करना? Okay, चलो हाँ. हाँ.
There will be no quiz test on Monday.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice talking to you.
तो आप convey किसको करना है? आप वैसे उसको कहते जैसे good news, there is no test. You can say hello. Who is speaking here? Okay, it is who is there? Harun. Harun, there is a good news. Sun is not coming. Okay, that's good. So I am going now to the market. है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So, but don't make me sick. ये ना क्या आप कहेंगे ओ हेलो बताऊं सर बीमार है ये इस पे ना कुछ होना ओके यस एक और कन्वर्सेशन यस कम ऑन ओके ओके यस
Hello.
ऊंची आवाज
Assalamualaikum. Walaikum Assalam. I am from Naveed from Green City.
Yes, I am Cadet Ubaid Rahman from LCC Cadet College Soul.
Can I talk to you, Shian?
Yes, you know.
I have an important message to take her.
Yes, you convey me.
शायान किधर है why is he saying can I have an important message to take her keep your wits about इंग्लिश को बिल्कुल उसकी टांगे इतनी ना तोड़ो कि औरत तो मर्द को औरत ना लो come okay
I have an important message
Yes,
for her.
yes, you told me.
Please convey her son is not coming on Monday.
Okay, any problem with you?
No, thank you.
Okay, see you soon tomorrow.
नई कन्वर्सेशन बनाए नई बात बनाए वो एक ही उसी को न इसको मैं बंद कर चले नया क्यों बनाए ओके who will get up now yes Abdul Muhit अपनी नई कन्वर्सेशन yes Abdul Muhit okay who is here from this side
Shyam.
come on Hassan yes
Hello.
Loaded.
Hello. Assalamualaikum.
Say hello yes
Hello. I am Mohit from LCIC Cadet College Kasur.
she is there
I am Muhammad Islam from
Okay.
Rohanwala. So I know who is speaking.
he has already told you his name
Can I talk to Shia?
I have an important message for her.
Okay.
what is it भाई वो फिल्म को पूछो
Shyam, explain.
हाँ okay okay sit down now you will talk and on the other side I will be talking okay who would like to talk okay
Hello.
hello
I am Hamza from LCAC.
yes please
I have important message for Arun.
message for Harun okay but he is not here
Oh, so I want to tell him that there will be no quiz test on Monday.
so what is so special
He didn't like to do test.
he doesn't like
He doesn't like to do test.
that's okay okay I will tell her
He will be excited after.
after telling this okay I will tell him thank you
Nice talking to you.
okay welcome okay Andy, who will talk to me? Who will talk to me? Yes? On telephone, who will talk to me? Come on. Yes, Tala. Good. Yes, please.
Hello,
Hello.
it's Harun.
No, sorry, it's not his number.
Okay, I want to. Are you Harun dad?
I know Harun. I'm his friend.
Okay, I want to tell him that
Okay. Yes.
we are going to trip.
Okay. Right.
So he is coming or not?
Okay. I will ask him. I will convey him and ask him if he will contact you and he will let you know whether he wants to
He
go.
was saying us that I will not come on trip. So please convey him to come.
Okay. I will convey. Good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I will do so.
Okay, now.
बोलेंगे तो अपनी बात से कुछ बोलना सीखिए. Okay, good. Tala started also before, and I'm happy. Today, I have still 3 minutes last, but I have this also. But I declare him today the star of the game. And immediately after this, we will give him a certificate also. Okay. Next is. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. किसी कोई बात कर जैसे कहते हैं ना मुखिल होने की माफी चाहता हूँ. मुखिल होने की माफी चाहता हूँ. इसी तरह आप कहेंगे sorry to interrupt. आपको दो लोग बात करने हैं, कुछ लोग बात कर रहे हैं तो आप बीच में आके बात करना चाहते हैं तो आप कहेंगे sorry to interrupt. क्या कहेंगे?
Sorry to interrupt.
हाँ बोले क्या कहेंगे?
Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt.
Interrupt नहीं, interrupt. Interrupt spelling देखिए. Sorry to interrupt.
Sorry to interrupt.
बोले
Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt.
हाँ, sorry to interrupt.
Sorry to interrupt.
हाँ, हाँ.
Sorry to
हाँ,
interrupt.
हाँ.
Sorry to interrupt.
So जैसे आप कहते हैं ना मुखिल होने की माफी चाहिए. Sorry to interrupt. I just wanted just one minute of yours. मैंने इधर जाना है. Please, sorry to interrupt. I wanted to give this to this boy. So जब भी आपने मुखिल होना है तो you will use this word. Sorry to interrupt. Okay. Next is do me a favor. मेरे लिए एक छोटा सा काम कर दें, मेरे लिए एक मेहरबानी कर दें. आप कहते होते हैं ना मेरे लिए एक मेहरबानी कर दें, छोटा सा काम कर दें. So do me a favor. Do me a favor. Please give me your pen. Do me a favor to bring some say shawarma from the market. यही कहते होते ना उसको. Do me a favor to help me to resolve this sum numerically. Do me a favor to teach me how to do the obstacle. Do me a favor, okay? So क्या बोलेंगे? Yes. सीधा जो बुक लगे तुम ढीले बैठते हैं. Come on.
Do me a favor. Come $1 please.
Do me a favor आगे.
Come $1 please.
Give me $1 please. Okay. टाइम हो गया है, मुझे पता है टाइम हो गया है. मैंने लेकिन I will take just a minute. हाँ, do me a favor. बोले. हाँ, आगे. To give me 1 day leave.
Do me a favor.
हाँ, चल. बोले. हाँ.
Do me a favor. 1 minute.
हाँ, do me a favor. Yes.
Do me a favor. Please lend me some money.
Do me a favor, please give my pen.
Okay.
Do me a favor. Please.
Give me your pen ना. तो favor मांग रही हो ना, तो फिर उससे पेन मांगे. हाँ बोलो. Yeah.
Do me a favor of your copy.
Of your copy. Do me a favor to give your copy.
To give your copy.
To take down notes. Right? Do me a favor to give your copy to take down the notes. Okay, next.
Do me a favor to give the shoes.
To give your shoes, right? Okay. Yes. Yes. Shansha. Come on. Sit down.
Do me a favor.
Give Give me a smile. Smile. बोलो कुछ. Do me a favor.
Do me a favor of giving your my copy.
Okay. Please be attentive. Learn it. आपकी देखिए कद कितना हो गया, उम्र कितनी हो गई और आपके अभी तक क्लास 4 से नहीं आ गया. Yes, Mateen.
Do me a favor, can I borrow your notes?
बस इतने ही काफी है. Do me a favor
Can I
to
borrow
give your notes.
give me your notes?
Okay. वैसे otherwise आप you can say, can I borrow your notes? I request you to please give me your notes. Right? Yes. Yes, Adil.
To give me a favor,
Do okay. Okay. Do me a favor.
do me a favor, give you shoes.
Give me your shoes.
Give me your shoes.
Attentive हो. Yes, madam.
Do me a favor, give me your pencil.
Okay. Yes, Anika.
Do me a favor, give me your love.
Do me a favor. आगे. Okay. Okay.
Do me a favor, give me your mobile.
Okay. You mobile. Okay. चलो.
Right now.
Okay. Next. Gratitude.
Asking for
Gratitude. क्या है ये?
Gratitude.
Gratitude. किसी को अकीदत किसी के लिए को कहना क्या? My gratitude for your parent. My gratitude to the founder of Pakistan. But that's all enough. Okay. So, okay. So I pay my gratitude to Mamu Afzal. Right? I pay my gratitude to the founder of Pakistan. I pay my gratitude to my teacher Zishan. I pay my gratitude to anyone जिसको आप अकीदत के लिए उसके लिए थैंक्स करना चाहते हैं. क्या लफ्ज़ है?
Gratitude.
बोले Gratitude. Say the word. बोलो. So I am obliged. इसका मतलब क्या है? I am obliged. Gratitude देने के लिए I am indebted to you. I am grateful. I appreciate your concern. So ये gratitude देने के मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. दूसरे को एक थैंक्स करने के मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. शुक्रिया अदा करने के मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. अपनी अकीदत देने के मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. राइट? सो अब हम आगे चलते हैं. ओके. आई थिंक मतलब आपको ज़हन में आया है. आई थिंक आई फील दैट आई थिंक इट कैन बी लाइक दिस. आई फील आई शुड हैव गॉन. आई फील आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अनडाउटेडली दिस इज करेक्ट. ये आप दूसरे की बातचीत सुनते हुए फिर उसको आप जवाब दे रहे हैं और पहला एक लफ्ज़ बोलते हैं. जैसे आप उर्दू में बोलते हैं, हाँ मेरा ख्याल है ये ऐसे, हाँ मेरा ख्याल है, बस मुझे कुछ बोलते हैं ना ऐसे. तो ये इस तरीके से आप कहेंगे कि आई फील दैट, आई थिंक दैट, और इस किस्म के आप शुरू के अल्फाज बोल के उसको आगे चला सकते हैं. तो कौन कौन से होंगे? आई थिंक दैट, I feel that, right. Okay. So that's the how आप अपना व्यू पॉइंट देते हैं. दूसरा बोल रहा है तो उसके बीच में आप अपना व्यू पॉइंट देते हैं. अपना व्यू पॉइंट देने के लिए आप कहते हैं आई थिंक you can do this also. I think if you don't mind, we can involve Harun also. I think, or I feel that Moise can perform better if he goes serious. I feel that Hamza is good boy and will get good result also. I think so. अपना व्यू पॉइंट देने के लिए आप एक पहला बोलते हैं, मेरा ख्याल है, राइट? हाँ, बोले एक एक करके, एक एक सारे बोले. मुझे पता है टाइम ज्यादा हो गया.
I have a small little request. If you don't mind.
हाँ, okay.
I think you may request you to please hold your if yeah.
चलो शाबाश शाबाश. So अपना व्यू पॉइंट देने के लिए मुख्तलिफ तरीके आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, जैसे मैंने ये कुछ बताया. इसके अलावा आप कह सकते हैं उसको, if you don't mind, please come with me. If you don't mind, please leave this place for this at this moment. If you don't mind, please give me your pen. If you don't mind, please don't disturb me. Right? आप इसी तरीके से कह सकते हैं I have a small request. जैसे आपने पहले हमने रिक्वेस्ट की बात की, इस तरह से I have a small request कि you all should make good projects. I remember he has been making very good projects. What's your good name? Abdullah Nawaz. He is excellent boy, very innovative mind, और बहुत अच्छे से प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए थे. तो मैं इसको अप्रिशिएट भी करना चाह रहा था. आपको इंशाल्लाह अभी और कोई बना के दिखाएं. आपको सर्टिफिकेट दिए थे? हाँ, और भी मिलेंगे कि और भी करेंगे. वो मुझे दिखाना भी था कि वो कैनन भी बनाई. So okay. So far, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So nice way to show your annoyance. आपको नाराजगी होती है, गुस्सा आता है, लेकिन उस गुस्से को का इजहार करने के लिए मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. एक तो ये है कि बुरे तरीका है, एक है आराम से उसको annoyance शो कर दें. जैसे I'm sorry to say that you are too rude. रूड क्या है? आप बहुत ऊंची से I'm sorry to say you are too rude. I'm sorry to say you are too loud. I'm sorry to say. आप I'm sorry कह के उसकी गलती का इजहार कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? अगर कोई अल्फाज गलत बोलता है तो आप उसको ये भी कह सकते हैं प्लीज डोंट यूज दिस वर्ड्स. लफ्ज बोलेंगे प्लीज डोंट यूज योर वर्ड्स. और साथ ये भी कह सकते हैं माइंड योर लैंग्वेज. Mind your language. Mind your language. Right?
Mind your language.
और ये भी आप कह सकते हैं I expect you to stay in your limits. I expect you to stay in your limits. मतलब वो लिमिट्स क्रॉस कर रहा है, वो ऐसी बात करने जा रहा है, तो आप कहते हैं प्लीज स्टे इन योर लिमिट्स. ये भी कह सकते हैं प्लीज स्टे इन योर लिमिट्स. और I expect you to stay in your limits. Please don't cross your limits. ये भी कह सकते हैं. Okay? I expect better behavior from you. आप तो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. तो मैं अभी आपको कहूंगा कि I expect better. मैं आपसे ज्यादा बेहतर उम्मीद करता हूँ इससे. I expect better behavior from you. तो इस तरीके से आप दूसरे के साथ annoyance भी शो कर दी, नाराजगी भी शो कर दी, लेकिन अच्छे अल्फाज में शो कर दी. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone repeat this? Okay. आपने नाराजगी शो करनी है, कैसे करें शाबाश शुरू करें.
I accept to say you are too rude.